And you beautiful folk, Chinese nerd in the Papa's household. These bad boys, I've been hearing a lot about these on the old tweb. I think it's Gardein, I have no idea, but this one, crispy sizzling cheese on beef, and this one, crispy lemon chicken. No, sorry, Mandarin orange chicken. They look amazing. Got them from Sainsbury's, had to go to a big Sainsbury's. Crazy. On the back, just like stuck a sticker over the normal instructions. Like American instructions or something like that. Just stuck, whacked a sticker on. Big up to Sainsbury's, no frills, you know what I mean? Trying to change all the packaging and whatnot. No, just do this. So we're gonna go in with some of these. Me and the wife. Date night. And see what they're all about. About 15 to 18 minutes in the oven each. Do them with some rainbow rice, maybe a couple of vegetables, spring rolls, and see what it's all about. They look amazing. I'm a bit uneasy about the Mandarin orange chicken, but we'll go with it. Right, cracked it open. There's like a sauce pouch in there. Can't really understand from the instructions what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to leave it on the side. Hopefully that'll defrost while that's in the oven. And then I think whack them in, tip that on top. Boom! They're in. Now, let's get a little bit of a lowdown on it. I've been hearing the hype about these, like I said, quite a lot. But I got these for about £3.50 for each of those packs, and you just seen what I put in the oven. Normally they'd be £4.50. There isn't much there. I mean, if you had a bit of a hangover, you're thinking, oh, I just want to smash some of that. You're going to be talking about a tenner, but £10 on that compared to a takeaway and whatnot, it's nothing, is it? It's going to do 2 of us. It's going to cost about 12 quid with the rainbow rice and all that jazz. So ingredients wise, again, ain't one for the purists. That's all the ingredients. Look at that sticker. I don't know what that's all about, but we've got a lot of different things in there. Pea protein, xanthium gum. I don't know what xanthium gum is. What flips that all about? Ooh, this is fresh out of the oven. So we've got the crispy beef, crispy Mandarin orange chicken, some spring rolls, some rainbow rice, a bit of soy on there. Oh, let's get involved. Go in the chicken first. Fork going in, don't feel too crispy. Let me have a kick there. It ain't crispy, I don't know, I've not cooked it long enough. I actually cooked it longer than 18 minutes. Probably kept it in for about 20, and the sauce on the top, probably need a little bit longer on that. But the taste on that is unbelievable. Absolutely. Yeah, unbelievable. Let's try this beef. Oh, look at that. Again, I think I wouldn't have cooked it. But they're saying 18 minutes. I've had it in about half hour in total. Well, the flavour on both of those, oh my God, unbelievable. Gardein, whatever you are. 10 out of 10. Never had anything like it. Never had anything like it in my life. It's just unbelievable. Amazing. Right, it's date night, so I'm going to get back to the wife. Big love. Peace.